2018 BMW 5 Series. 2018 BMW 5 Series Review. The 2018 BMW 5 Series is fast, comfortable and filled with technology. With new engine alternatives for 2018, the BMW 5 Series must be even more enticing should you be picking for any mid-sized luxury sedan. Whether it's most up-to-date technology and safety or maybe a comfortable and luxurious interior you're after, the perennially popular 5 Series is certain to satisfy. BMW redesigned the 5 Series just a year ago, adding new technology features plus a slightly roomier interior. For 2018, BMW adds 2 new engine choices to this mid-size sedan's repertoire. The 530i Performance features BMW's plug-in hybrid powertrain technology, and provides suitable performance combined with ability to drive about 16 miles on all-electric power before moving to regular gas hybrid operation. If it's performance you're after, you'll such as the new M550i xDrive because it gets a 456 horsepower turbo V8 engine plus some other added performance enhancements. The 5 Series certainly offers quite a bit to offer, however it's up against stiff competition. Like the 5 Series, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class has an exquisite interior plus the latest tech. We also suggest the Lexus GS due to the very appealing hybrid as well as variants and the Volvo S90 if you need a fresh replacement for the usual picks. Overall, though, the 5 Series is not hard to recommend. What's new? The plug-in hybrid 530i Performance and high-performance M550i xDrive join the 5 Series lineup for 2018. You'll more than likely be happy with the power through the 530i, though the extra power and much more engaging sound of BMW's turbocharged 6-cylinder make 540i the 5 Series worth paying more for. In either case, we presume the Driver Assistance Plus package, which adds many active security measures such as blind spot monitoring, and adds the Driver Assistance package which consists of rear-view camera, can be a must-have. Buyers who will be spending quantity of traffic or on long freeway trips sort the Adaptive Cruise Control Inside Driver Assistance Plus 2 package. We'd include the Premium package for getting keyless entry and hands-free trunk opening. Trim levels and features. The different trim levels readily available for the 5 Series are associated with powertrains, and moving up adds power plus a few extra choices. Trims begin with the 4-cylinder 530i, accompanied by the hybrid 530i Performance and also the 6-cylinder 540i. At the top of the product range is the M550i xDrive, an all-wheel drive only performance variant with extra standard equipment. All come with an 8-speed automatic transmission as standard. All-wheel drive, called xDrive, is intended for the 530i, 530e and 540i. The base 530i is powered by way of a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, 248 horsepower, 258 pounds-feet of torque, and comes relatively well equipped. Standard equipment highlights include LED headlights, 18-inch wheels, automatic wipers, a sunroof, power-adjustable front seats, BMW's SensorTech simulated leather upholstery, an energy tilt and telescoping tire, front seat memory settings and dual-zone automatic climate control. The iDrive infotainment system includes a 10.2-inch display, navigation, voice and gesture controls, and comes standard having a 12-speaker audio system. A variety of packages are readily available for the 5 Series. Among the most important are 3 active safety feature and driver rate upgrade packages. The Driving Assistance package adds a rear-view camera, a head-up display, and back and front parking sensors. The Driving Assistance Plus package adds a top-down parking camera system and a few important features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, and frontal collision warning with pedestrian detection. Finally, the Driver Assistance Plus 2 package incorporates Adaptive Cruise Control with Stop and Go, and uses the functions added from the Driving Assistance Plus package to supply a semi-autonomous experience. Other notable packages are the dynamic handling package, adds an adaptive suspension that works well to improve ride quality and stability when cornering. The luxury seating package upgrades leading seats to multi-contour seats with heating, ventilation and massage, and also the premium package includes leather upholstery, Wi-Fi, a radio charging pad, satellite radio, automatic high beams, and keyless entry with an electrical trunk lid. Two largely aesthetic packages, the M Sport package and also the luxury package, are for sale to add special wheels, colors, trim pieces and exterior design cues. Both have your choices of 20-inch sport wheels with performance tires. Standalone options include an energy rear sunshade, a 16-speaker Harman Kardon music system or a super premium 16-speaker Bowers & Wilkins system, Apple CarPlay compatibility, rear seat entertainment with two 10.2-inch screens, soft close automatic doors, ceramic controls, plus a night vision system. There's also BMW's Strict Display Key, an essential fob using a built-in LCD screen, which you can use as a remote device to park the vehicle in tight spaces. Elements of the choice packages, for instance an adaptive suspension, an electrical trunk lid, parking sensors and much more, could be added individually. Moving nearly the 540i gets you a similar starting equipment, apart from some unique design cues, since the 530i but upgrades the powertrain. The 540i is equipped using a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, 335 horsepower, 332 pounds-feet of torque, that BMW says will make run from 0 to 60 miles per hour inside a respectable 4.7 seconds. The 530i Performance adds a typical rear-view camera and also a handful of items linked to the electric powertrain, including a charging station finder. The plug-in hybrid is equipped that has a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine followed by an electric motor. Combined output is 248 horsepower and 310 pounds-feet of torque, that can offer 16 miles of all-electric range and returns an EPA estimated 29 miles per gallon combined when running on gas. At the top of kids is the M550i xDrive, which runs on the twin-turbo 8-cylinder engine, 456 horsepower, 480 pounds-feet of torque, and exclusively includes all-wheel drive. It also comes standard with all the M Sport package, premium package, multi-contour seats with leather upholstery, rear-view camera, adaptive suspension, the Harman Kardon music system, and unique styling cues both inside and outside. Driving. Even the 530i should accelerate to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, so no trim level will lack for acceleration. The 530i's hybrid powertrain works smoothly and returns respectable fuel efficiency. We also like BMW's 8-speed automatic. It's well behaved and responds watchfully for the driver's needs. Comfort. In our brief exposure to this Generation 5 series, we found it provides kind of all-day comfort we expect from BMW. Ride quality, especially with all the adaptive suspension, is very useful. Along with the cabin can be quite quiet. Interior. BMW does a fantastic job allowing for any number of driving positions and placing controls in reach across their range. The 5 Series also carries a roomy cabin, with plenty rear legroom and enough headroom for many adults. Utility. The 18.7 cubic foot trunk is sizable for your class. Even better, the location of the 530i's battery packs doesn't impinge within the cargo area. Split folding rear seats mean the 5 Series can conduct quite a bit. Rear seat latch points are really simple to access. Technology. The 5 Series comes with technology, including some standard active safety precautions. Extensive driver aids can be purchased, which add more security features. The infotainment system supports touchless gesture controls, but it really still provides a secondary knob controller and user-friendly interface.